Today I'm going to show you how to change your PIN on Amazon Prime Video. This is essential for managing parental controls and keeping your content secure. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. After logging in, look at the top toolbar where you'll find the Prime Video option. Click on it to access the Prime Video section. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can open Prime Video directly in your browser by typing in its URL. Now that you're in Prime Video, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Hover your mouse over it and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This is where all your account preferences and security options are managed. Once you're in the Account and Settings area, take a look at the top toolbar. You'll notice several options available. Click on Permissions. This section controls access settings and security features for your Prime Video account. Within the Permissions page, navigate to the section labeled Video Account PIN. Right beside this label, you'll see a Change button. This is what allows you to update your existing PIN to a new one. After clicking Change, a field will appear asking you to type your new PIN. Enter your new 5-digit PIN in the PIN field. Make sure it's something you'll remember but not easily guessable by others who might have access to your account. Finally, click Save to finish changing the PIN. Your new PIN is now active and will be required for accessing restricted content or making certain changes to your account settings. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Amazon Prime Video PIN, giving you better control over who can access specific content on your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.